The Dominoes 7 video 777. Last one was 776. Well, with no title it is, that's how we gonna do it. 777. One chef de plot. Well, whatever the heck I'm trying to say. All right. So unless you be in their shoes, you never know what a person go through. You know. A upside down six is a nine. Y'all know the upside down six is a nine. But what's an upside down seven? A dearth? Who knows? Well, I must say, y'all. Look at my phone. Almost 100%. You know, but it's 93%. You know, I mean, I watched a clip of iCarly. I thought Chuck was put away. What happened to his big sister? I forgot her name. What happened to his little brother Chip? Who knows? All right. So honestly, I don't like the new iCarly without Sam Puckett, aka Jen McCurdy. After after her writing that book, she glad. The name of the book called "I'm Glad My Mama Died." You know. Well, maybe it's for a good reason. You never know what somebody go through unless you're in these shoes. All right, so video 77 or video 79, I mean 78, 178 or 778 is up next.